ISTE 3E deals with adaptive and assistive technology. I co-taught with Mrs. Angela Johnson, who teaches very disabled special ed children. And in order to meet the standard during the pandemic, she had to come up with activities and create a Google Classroom so that her parents could assist their children in completing activities for the fourth 9 weeks. She came up with a back to school money edition. She used links on why it's important to count money, questions that she asked, respond to your classmates to tell why you agree or disagree with the answer. We then moved into coins. We did a coin review. She used read.bookcreator.com. And so this was really a great way to teach her kids how to learn how to count money. Name that coin value. They also had to take a money quiz, which I've uploaded under the standard, the counting pennies video. So she really integrated a lot of technology that was challenging for her students, but they were able to adapt and complete the assignments so they could learn the value of each coin and also the value of a dollar. I really enjoyed working with Miss Johnson and her children because it let me see another way to also show my general ed students how they can learn in different ways without being segregated as well as this class. Like I stated, her class, they are segregated from the normal population due to extreme disabilities. But she has always been able to reach them, and it was just wonderful being able to co-teach with her and seeing how she relates reality information to her students so that they could be successful.